before the world shut down with COVID. But here's the man, very much the favourite with his world lead of 2:31 in Hustapeche, and had a couple of good attempts at 2:35 and 2:37 as well, making a good high jumper. And here we see the first sight of Woo Sung-hyuk. 2:31 in T22. Oh yes, not the best jump we've ever seen Woo deliver, but nevertheless, good clearance. Doesn't need to be producing soaring clearances, just get over the bar and the bar will rise. You just keep clearing the bar. Sooner or later you end up without it. Woo really put too much effort into his 2:16 clearance. Steps his first jump. There we go. Anything you can do, I can do better. This is his coach, Kim Do-kwon. Nicely done. It's almost a full somersault when he's across the bar. Momentum. So, Zayas, flawless with his two jumps. Very good with the mental rehearsal, Woo. Side step, now into his run-up. Oh, what a superb jump. Once again, the very undemonstrative Mr. Kim, clapping away. I think he likes it. I should say, though, Kim Do-hyun, former international pole vaulter, second at the Asian Championships back in 2007. Coaches pole vaulters as well, including several Korean internationals, but Woo Sung-hyuk very much at 2:10. So, bar has now gone up to 2:28. Just two men in this competition. Career, Woo Sung-hyuk. So Zayas attacking the bar, 2:28. No. His first failure of the evening, bringing the bar down at on the first occasion at 2:28. Jose Centelles, 2:32 man himself, back in the 80s. 88. So can Woo take the initiative here? Clearance will put him in pole position. As always, very focused. Striding run up, accelerating, and he's over. Woo Sung-hyuk takes 2:28 at the first time of asking. And he's enjoying the moment. He's a bit of a showman, is our Korean friend. Wonderful clearance there from Woo Sung-hyuk. As always, under the eye of his coach, Do-kyun. And for the first time, Mr. Kim showing some motion, clenching his fists and punching the air as well. thumping strides, and he almost made it. One more attempt for Luis Enrique Zayas. From the very centre, the historic old town centre of Banska Bystrica. Third and final attempt for Woo Sung-hyuk. Now a three-time champion here in Banska Bystrica. Stance with his shoulder side on the direction of his runner. Third and final attempt at 2:32 for Woo Sung-hyuk. No. Perhaps the worst of his three attempts. And as usually happens, high jump competitions end up in failure. But Woo Sung-hyuk is the winner once again in Banska Bystrica. Well, can't negotiate 2:32 on this occasion, but the Korean takes the title with a 2:28 clearance. The only man over 2:28. Well, enthralling competition. Didn't quite hit the heights of the women's competition. There's confirmation of the standings. 7 men over. And pockets a check for €1,500. But the man once again, who's triumphed on 2 previous occasions and also here in 2025. It's Woo Sung-hyuk of Korea. This occasion, 2:28 was sufficient to get his third win, and that rather splendid crystal glass plate which commemorates the victory at this Banska Bystrica Latka 2025. Well, the 3 men on the podium are jumped by the 10 other competitors who've made their way to Banska Bystrica. But as we see some closing shots of Woo Sung-hyuk, it's time for me, Phil Minshall, to say good.